Hi, we're going to do a couple of examples for week 7. Week 7 is over chapters 8 and 9. So the first example we're going to do is working with telephone numbers. So alphabetic phone number translator. Many companies use telephone numbers like 555 get food, so the number is easier for their customers to remember. On a standard telephone, the alphabetic letters are mapped to numbers in the following fashion. Have A, B, and C are matched to number 2, D, E, F to 3, G, H, I to 4, and so on. So we're going to write a program that asks the user to enter a 10-character telephone number in the format XXX-XXX-XXXX. Application should display the telephone number with any alphabetic characters that appeared in the original translated to their numeric equivalent. So for example, if the user enters 555 get food, the application should display 555-438-3663. So that's what we're going to do here. So we get Python started. And then we'll open up a new file. And then get them set up on the screen. Okay, so this is all going to be in main, so we just create a main function here. And we're going to use a list that stores the numbers on the telephone that we would use to match up. Okay, so we got all those in there. And then we need to set up a variable. We're going to call it num phone numbers and set it equal to quote quote. So when we start figuring out which ones need to be changed and move things through, then we'll go ahead and have that already set up on the variable already set up on there for us. Okay, now we're going to have to get the phone number. So we're going to call that alpha phone number equal to an input and I'm going to stop it there, put a space in here in the quote backslash and come down here and put a quote in XXX dash XXX dash XXXX. Okay, now we're going to use a for loop for CH in alpha phone number. So this will go through, the for loop will go through the alpha phone number one character at a time, storing it into CH each time, and then we can process this. First thing we need to do is check to see if CH dot is alpha. Okay, we want to check and make sure that it's an alpha or alphabetic character before we continue on. Okay, if it is, then what we want to do is convert it into uppercase. So CH then would be equal to CH dot upper. And then we can go through. If CH equals A or CH equals B or CH equals C, then index is going to be equal to 0. Else if CH equals D or CH equals E or CH equals F, index equals 1. We just have to do this for all these. Else if CH equals go G or CH equals H or CH equals I, index equals 2. Else if CH equals J or CH equals K or CH equals L, index equals 3. Else if CH equals M or keep oops in here, CH or CH equals N or CH equals O, index equals 4. Okay, so then this one's going to have four letters on it. Else if CH equals P or CH equals Q or CH equals R or CH equals S. Okay, so if you look at your phone, if you have those on there, you can see that. Index equals 5. Else if CH equals T or CH equals U or CH equals V, index equals 6. And then the last one, else if CH equals W or CH equals X or CH equals Y or CH equals Z, index equals 7. So this matches up because the 0 index matches up to the first location in the list, which is 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And the reason that there's 4 on here like this, in the olden days, Q and Z were not used on the telephone. So when the 5 matched up with P, R, and S, and the 7 matched up with W, I'm sorry, was the X, wasn't used, matched up with the W, Y, and Z. Okay, so the other 2 letters were left off because it's just the way they did it. And then when they have cell phones, it's you use all the letters on there because you need them because you're using them for texting and stuff. So, okay, so we got all that done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set CH now is going to be equal to digit list index. Okay. And then out here, so lined up with this if statement, we've gone through the one character, we converted it, and so now what we're going to do is num phone number plus equals ch. Okay, so if it's alpha, it's going to go through here and change it to the number. If it's not alpha, it won't do any changing to it. Okay, so then this won't even get hit here. So then the ch would be, so when we have the dash, it just gets assigned over. Doesn't get changed at all. Okay. Oops. So that's the end there. So then all we need to do is print out the result. So that's outside the for loop here. So we're going to then print the phone number is NUM phone number. We just need to call main. Okay, go ahead and get this saved. And go to where I have it here. And I'm just going to call this phone number .py, save it. And we'll run it, see if any errors pop up we need to fix or if everything's good. Okay, so I'm going to put in that number we had, 555.get. And remember that this converts it so I can do get food with the lowercase on there, and it comes out and works fine on there. So, okay, and it doesn't matter where letters are in here, because the letters will the letters will get and the dashes get passed through the characters. I'm sorry, the numbers and the dashes get passed through. The letters get converted into numbers. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the next one. Got another example here. That was over using lists and then some of the string stuff in there, the is alpha and the upper and things like that. So this one's going to be using dictionaries. So we're going to write a program that creates a dictionary containing course numbers and the room numbers of the rooms where the courses meet. The dictionary should have the following key value pairs. Okay, so you can see that there the CS101 is room 3004 and so on. Okay, the program should also create a dictionary containing course numbers and the names of the instructors that teach each course. So here's the dictionary for this one, where you have the course numbers and then the instructors' names. And then the program should also create a dictionary containing course numbers and the meeting times of each course. Dictionary should have the following key value pairs, which is the course numbers and then the meeting times. So we're going to write a program that will display the course information when given the course number. Okay, so I'm going to open up a new file and close this off. We don't need it anymore. So the first thing we need to do, we're going to do our def main. We need to go ahead and create our 3 dictionaries. One called rooms is going to be equal to, in curly brace, CS101 and the quote mark colon 3004. And then we're going to have CS102. And it's going to be 4501. Then we're going to have CS103. And it's going to be 6755. Comment here, go down to the next line. NT110 is 1244. And then the last one is CM241, and it is 1411 in the curly brace. Next one is the instructors. Curly brace, CS101, and its instructor is Haynes, sorry, there we go. Then we have CS102. Its instructor is Alvarado. And okay, go down the next line here. CS103. Its instructor is Rich. Wrong one. NT110. Its instructor is Burke. And then put the last one down here. is going to be CM 241, and instructor is Lee, and in curling brace. And the last one is our times. CS 101. Time for this one is 8 a.m. CS 102. Its time is 9 a.m. CS 103. Its time is 10 a.m. Oops, this one is the NT 110. And its time is 11 a.m. And then the last one is our CM 240. 241, and its time is 12 p.m. and the curling brace. Okay, we need to get the course from the user. So course is going to be equal to input, enter a course number, and then we need to check to see if the course is in here. So if course not in rooms, we're going to print out an error message. Course, is an invalid course number. No. Else, we will print the details for course. Course are room, room's course, instructor, instructors, and print time times. Okay, so now what we're going to do is call main, and we'll save it and run it and see what happens. Save this one as courses.py. And our course number, CS103, and it comes back with, and get that R out of there, but I'm not going to do it right now. For the CS103 is 6:55 Rich and 10 a.m. So hopefully this helps you out with using some of the string stuff and dictionaries. If you have any questions about this, then ask your instructor for help with that. Bye.